Hey there, I'm Stephanie Clark, founder and CEO of Elliott Clark Consulting. Do you find that as a growing manufacturer or distributor, that as you're working with your consulting team, you pretty continuously find that they just say yes over and over to you instead of really drive home what you need to do, give you direction, really give you guidance towards what's going to work for companies like you, and you struggle to really make those consulting dollars have real value? What happens with that is you're going to struggle with really making progress. And so you're falling behind your competitors, you're losing profit margin, you're maybe not growing as effectively as you could. So the solution to those kinds of struggles is really about making sure that your business is aligned with the tools that you use to get the work done. We're going to help you with a technology investment, both from an ERP perspective as well as an AI perspective. We focus on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, as well as Microsoft Copilot, to help you tune your processes and make sure they are as efficient and as effective as possible. We do that because we start first on your business process. We want to learn how you do your business, how that work gets done, and then we look at the tools you need to make that business go. This is a unique approach in our industry. A lot of our competitors will talk to you about features and functions, and this is what the software does. We'll talk to you about that if you want, but instead we'd rather talk about your business process and the flow of inventory through your organization. We're inventory people. I've spent my entire career, as well as the rest of my team, has spent their entire career helping make sure how inventory gets from one place to the other, turns in from one product to another, and gets in the hands of your customers, because that gives you less risk. You know you're getting a consulting team that can guide you, that has the experience and understands your business. So what our clients are experiencing with our approach is streamlined processes, more effective use of software as a tool, and users that get more done quickly. So you don't need to add extra staff. You find if you have profit leaks, which we see all the time, and so therefore you're more profitable. You're going to control costs better and therefore maximize your revenue, making growth an even more exciting proposition for you. So there's just a little bit about us. We'd love to hear from you and learn a little bit more about you. Reach out anytime. I'm available, and I would love to talk to you. Let me give you an example. We work with a company that does configure to order. They're a manufacturer, obviously, but they have a lot of variability in their projects or in their production. And they solely used project accounting to manage that. Well, what they were losing with that approach was the ability to really purchase at scale. So each job that they had, they would buy the inventory for that job. Instead, we gave them an opportunity to look across all jobs and make purchases across all of that. So they got better pricing and therefore better cost. And their prices to the client, to their customers, never changed, but they had more margin.